To get enhanced comfort while using the Eye Comfort Shield feature at night in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable enhanced comfort option within the Eye Comfort Shield menu. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display and then tap Eye Comfort Shield. Now tap the gray on off switch next to enhance comfort option until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically adjust color tones and contrast to provide you more comfortable viewing with Eye Comfort Shield feature at night. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.